Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making sugar pie. If you have never heard of sugar pie, honey, add this to your bake list because it is so good and the ingredients are so simple. You ready? Let's go. Okay, to make the filling, we're going to add some granulated sugar into a large pot. Dump that right on in that pot. And next we're going to add in a little bit of cornstarch. You can use flour if, that's your thing, but I just really like to use cornstarch. It really thickens it up perfectly. Girl, you can't even talk. Okay, so now we're going to add in a little pinch of salt. Don't skip this. This pie is really sweet, and that little pinch of salt, it's going to do the job. Okay, now comes a whole lot of heavy whipping cream. I know, right? This pie is so rich and just sinful and decadent, and yeah, it's good. Okay, so go ahead and just stir this up. I have my heat on medium. I'm not gonna boil it. I'm not gonna simmer it. I'm just going to let it steam away. Look at Isaac. Oh, growing up so fast. We're gonna let it steam away ever so gently just until it starts to thicken up and kind of have the texture of like a very loose pudding like this right here. This is the texture that you are going for. Okay, that looks good and it tastes good too. It tastes so good. And you wouldn't think so with such basic ingredients, but yeah, it's really tasty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat and add in my unsalted butter. Dump that butter in there. This butter is really gonna make it all silky and just make that texture divine, like velvet, luscious, smooth. You get the point. Okay, stir that butter up. It's gonna melt quick because it's still very hot. And next I'm gonna add in some vanilla extract because this pie has like a, it's the main taste is vanilla, but I like to add in just a little bit of this right here, coconut extract. It's optional, but it gives like another layer of flavor. Not really coconutty, but it just adds that little just bumps it up a little bit. Okay, go ahead and stir in all of those extracts, and then we are just going to pour this bad baby into our pie crust. My pie crust is only half baked, which is what we want. We're gonna dump that right into our pie crust, and it's already beginning to thicken up. Can you see that? Like, it's really thickened up a lot just sitting there. Next, we're gonna smooth it on out into a nice even layer. Get it as even as you can. Okay, that looks perfect. Use an offset spatula. That works so good when it comes to like, really getting that top layer nice and flat like that. Next, I have some melted butter. I'm gonna brush this butter over the top of the pie. Get every part of that pie covered in that butter. All right, that's what we're going for here. All right, so now that we have our butter on, our pie brushed with butter, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon sugar. Do not skip this step because this cinnamon sugar, we're gonna broil it in the oven. It's gonna get all crackly and crunchy. And yes, I am listening to Sugar Pie Honey Bunch because how can you not listen to that when you make this pie, right? You gotta listen to it or sing it. Okay, and you can double this topping if you want to. You want a thick layer, but I like a little thin layer. Okay, we're gonna bake this at 325 for about 20 minutes, and then for the last few minutes, we're going to broil it. This is gonna make that topping really crunchy and crackly, and it's so good like that. So good. Now we're gonna let it cool off completely. It takes a while, but let it cool off completely, and then we're gonna cover it in saran wrap. And this is the part I don't like because we have to let it sit, you guys. I know it has to sit for at least 3 hours because you want it to have a nice firm set. You can serve it warm, but when it's firm, oh my god, it's like the perfect. I like it cold and firm. Okay. All right, so this pie have set for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And this pie, you guys, is not cute at all, is it? Like, I would not order this at a restaurant because it doesn't look that cute. But the taste, oh my goodness gracious. That taste, y'all, let me just tell you, that top layer, that cinnamon sugar, it's like all crunchy, and then the creaminess of that vanilla filling and that buttery pie crust, it's addictive. It's very sweet, but like you can't stop eating it. I have made this pie twice so far this week. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. This is weight gain that is like totally worth it. I'll take it. I'll take every last pound if I can eat this pie. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.